female reproductive system. Okay, female. Female has uh, two ovaries which releases ovum. Okay, and ovum or egg will transfer to fallopian tube. That is written here. These are fallopian tube. Okay, and fallopian tubes are known as oviduct also. Okay, oviduct contain egg, and when sperm enters through vagina and fused to egg or ovum, then it is known as fertilization that we have studied yesterday. Yes, and ovary function is releasing eggs and estrogen and progesterone. Okay, what is the function of estrogen? It make a girl. It make a girl characteristics. It makes girls characteristics. Characteristics. Okay, girls characteristics is shown by estrogen hormone. Okay, and it helps to mature. It helps to mature the egg or ovum. Okay, so it makes girls characteristics and it helps to mature the egg or ovum. So what is the function of progesterone? Progesterone function when fertilization occurs. Occurs. Okay, because when egg fused with sperms, when egg fused with sperms, the function of estrogen hormone stops. Stop. After the fusion, progesterone hormone works. I'm telling you how. So progesterone hormone work when eggs are fused or fusion occurs. Okay, estrogen will not work because a baby which is inside the womb of the girl or the woman or female will grow because of the progesterone hormone, because it prepares the layer or the environment in the uterus to grow the baby. Its function to provide the environment or to make the environment for the baby. Progesterone function is mature the egg and release out from the ovaries in the fallopian tube. It helps to create the environment to grow of the child or the growth of the child. Okay, like where to baby to be stay, where to the umbilical cord should be connected. Okay, the function of the growing of a baby is created by progesterone hormone. So these are the ovaries. An ovary release ovum, and one ovary release one egg or one ovum at a one time. Next month or next cycle, second ovary release, third cycle, first ovary release, fourth cycle, second ovary release eggs. Okay, means one by one in alternative cycles. Okay, on alternative cycles, ovaries releases eggs at once. Okay, only one egg is released. It is ovulation. Ovulation. Ovulation is just the mature of egg released from the ovary. Okay, the release of release of ovum from the ovary is known as ovulation. Means maturation of egg. When egg matures, it releases out from the ovary. Okay, oviduct. Oviduct is fallopian tube where the egg stay for the fusion. It is the tube by which ovum is released or to stay for fusion, like a was difference. Was difference is present in male reproductive system to pass through penis. It is a tube. It is a tube from which the ovum is transferred. Okay, got it? So oviduct and fallopian tube is same. Okay. This part is known as uterus. Okay, and this is the uterus where baby grow. Okay, uterus is the place where baby grows after fertilization. Okay, vagina is the opening part of the female reproductive system from where the sperm injected. Okay, from this part the sperms are injected, and when it passes through uterus and follow the path of oviduct, and where it found the ovum or the egg, it will fuse together and fertilization occurs. Okay, if sperms are not capable to fuse with the ovum, then this unfertilized egg release out with the blood from the female, and female has period, and this cycle is known as menstruation cycle, that is happened after every 28 days in every female after 12 or 13 years. I have told you that boy or girl change its characteristics at the age of 10 to 16. So that is the time where the boy starts growing and they grow their mustache when egg is fertilized. Okay, it is fertilized egg. The layering or upper part of the egg will become harder. So no other sperm can enter it. Okay, and it develop in two cells. Okay, then four cell stage, fifth eight cell stage, 16 cell stage, then blastocyst. Yes, yes, they double many more times. Okay, then blastocyst stage where the body parts start growing. Means here the nerve tissue start growing, blood tissue start growing, and cardiac cardiac tissue start growing. Okay, this is the it change into the multiple cells capacity cells. Then after the five week, when the body parts start going, and it can be seen through ultrasound, is known as fetus. Okay, after 10 month, fetus grows. You must to see that baby is growing, and after 20 weeks, complete baby is grown. Little bit part is not growing, and after 40 weeks, child must be grow all of the part of the body, and after ninth month, a baby is born outside the new world. The number of the eggs produced at the time is the different for the different mammals. Human, elephant, cow usually produce one egg at a one time, but like a dog, like a cat, like a goat, they releases two, three, four, five, or multiple ovums. That's why when they reproduce, they lay five babies, six babies, or four babies, like goat, like dog. Dog means bitch. Yes, which give birth to the four puppies or six puppies. Yes, goat also give many babies. Okay, so in cow, elephant, and human, the female body produce only one ovum, and some other animals, multiple ovums are released, like in goat, dog, and what I told you, and cat. Cow give birth to the single baby, not to multiples. Okay, but cat give multiple birth, and dog give multiple birth, and god give multiple birth. Sperm sperm from father, and uh, ovum from mother. Sperm and ovum join together and form a baby. Yes, when they form a baby, they have the characteristics of father and mother both. Not the father, not the mother, but have the characteristics of both. Like your some characteristics belongs to your mother, and some characteristics of your father belongs to you. Yes or not? Like your face look like your mom or your father, and your hair color is look like your father hair color. Yes, so they are the characteristics of both father and mother. So we can say these characteristics are inherited. Okay. So can you recognize some characteristics that you have inherited from your parents? So you can say again, or you can see again with your parent. Inherit means the characteristics which you carry or copy from your parents. Inherit means the characteristics which you copy from your parents. Okay, it is automatically. Development of embryo. After fertilization, the zygote travels through the oviduct and divides over a over and over again to form a ball of cells. This is known as cell division. Okay, means first is uh, ovum and sperm is fertilized egg. When fertilized egg is known as zygote, and zygote develops some cell division, go through cell division, and transfer to worm or uterus. In uterus, they are ball-like structure, ball cell-like structure is known as embryo. Okay, then embryo, multiple divided development of the different groups of the cells change their shape and size and turn into a particular type of the cell performing a specific function such as muscle cells, nerve cells, and blood cells that I have told you. Blastocyst. Blastocyst is the composition of multiple type of cells like nerve cells, blood cells, cardiac cells, nephron cells. So they can grow. Nerve can grow your mind. Blood can grow your whole fluid-like structure. Cardiac cells can grow your heart, and nephron cells can grow your kidneys. Okay, so blastocyst is the group of cells which can grow multiple organs. Okay, they are known as stem cells. Okay, stem cells. Got it? Now, they gradually the different body parts such as head, hands, and legs. When the head, hands, and legs are seen, then it is known as fetus. Okay, fetus is the fourth stage like this. Matlab fertilized egg, zygote, embryo, and fetus. Okay, first, second, and third, and it is fourth. So fetus will remain continue growing and change into the complete body or complete baby, and it comes after 9 months. It comes after 9 months. Okay, the fetus keeps growing further when all the body parts assume the right size and the form. The development is complete and the individual is born. A single cell ultimately gives rise to the trillion of the cells in the body of the individual. Okay, so single cell means single cell which cell ovum and sperm can give the birth to the trillions of the cells because a body has trillion of the cells. Yes. So from this, I have completed fertilization process. Okay, VV Paris and OV Paris. Okay. So VV Paris is just like a human being, like a and oviparous which lay eggs. Okay, means birth like a human and same as or we can say not same as birth to the young ones. But oviparous means lays eggs. I can say like hen. I'm I'm giving the example of hen. Okay, so after the fertilization of ovum and sperm, after the fertilization of ovum and sperm in hen, zygote is formed. Okay, zygote is formed, and this is the zygote. Okay, it is zygote. Zygote is formed, and on the zygote, one hard covering is covered all around the zygote. Okay, it is the cell of hard substance, and when it comes out, it is known as egg, proper egg, because zygote is present inside the cell. Okay, that you see, you eat egg, omelet or not, but you have seen omelet. So eggs outer cover is harder part. So harder part is developed to keep protected zygote of the hen. Okay, it is the cell which protect zygote from the outer environment because hens are the oviparous. Okay, so it is the complete egg, and after egg laying, hens or hens sit on them to pro, provide proper heat or sufficient heat. When development is complete, development is complete. When development is complete, yes, baby hatches out from the cover. Okay, so it is the hardest cell outside the zygote. Okay, and zygote develops itself and change into the chicks and comes out after the proper development. Got it? What is metamorphosis? Okay, we are talking about metamorphosis. So metamorphosis is the process in which to complete the change of the form of the animal as it develops from young ones into the adult. Okay, so animal. I'm giving an example. Okay. Animal give birth to animal means same to same, but there are some other animals when they born when they born when they born they are not like their parents. No, they are inherit, but not like because inherit is the characteristics, not looking like same. It is the characteristic. Okay, leave it right now. I'm telling you, they born. They are not like their parents, but after growing, but after complete growth, complete growth, they seem like parent. Okay, like when uh, egg burst. Okay, chick is chick is found same as hen when baby came out, same as parent, but frog frog lays egg lays egg and baby came out not same as parent at that time. Okay, they are the different stages. So first, like eggs, then eggs change into the tadpole, and tadpole change into the or we can say early tadpole, and then late tadpole, then frog, adult frog. Got it? So tadpole is not like adult frog. That's why I say. That's why I say they are not same as animal. They are different without development. Their development after coming in this world properly. Okay. So eggs here, eggs here, eggs change into the tadpole with legs, and then young frogs. Young frogs has tail like this, and frog does not have tail. Okay, got it or not? So it is a uh, life cycle, life cycle of frog. Okay. Now next figure is mosquito cycle. Mosquito is different also. Okay. So they are legs. Oh, sorry, they are eggs. Okay. Eggs change into the larva. That is regular. Okay. Regular change into the pupa, and pupa is like a comma. Pupa is like a comma, and then change into the adult mosquito. Okay. You have to remember life cycle of frog and mosquito and butterfly also. Butterflies, yeah, looks weird, but after a complete growth, it looks smarter. Yeah. They can suck our blood. Now, next one is butterfly. Because this topic can be understood by figures. Yes. Now, see, eggs lay on the I can say, eggs lay on the leaves, and after hatching the eggs, the larva came out. Larva, larva complete itself or cover itself, form pupa. Okay, form pupa, and after cutting down this pupa, it change into the adult butterfly. Okay, like silkworm. You have studied the silkworm. Silkworm change into larva, then caterpillar. Oh, sorry, pupa, and then caterpillar. If the pupa is not cut down, listen me, like silkworm, like pupa will not cut it down. It is used for silk, proper silk production. Silk production. But when it cutted the pupa and flew out in adult flag, then silk is wasted. Okay, so yes, pupa is made for silk. So they all comes under metamorphosis.